Jordan Mackey's course on making money from YouTube is a very great value at a very low price. He teaches us how to make videos without showing our face and how to do it without using our voice, and basically in the end how to farm out all the work. You have to work hard the first couple of months. After that, you practically have it all automatic and are having other people do it for you. It's the best value for the price that I have seen. I've seen far more expensive courses in the $600, $700, $1,000 range that were simply not the same value by a long shot. The other courses skipped many things. Jordan Mackey tells everything, skips nothing. He doesn't leave you in the lurch. He shows you the tricks and tactics that are needed to handle any difficulty. You know how YouTube's algorithm changes. Well, he updates the course constantly as the algorithm changes and shows you the way to handle it. He doesn't abandon you like many other teachers do. He stays with you. In the Facebook group, he answers questions, and you'll find many friendly people who also answer questions. People have a lot of experience. So you really are not alone at any moment. You can ask anything you want. The instructions are very clear and detailed. So all you need to do is work hard the first 2 months following the detailed instructions. In the beginning, you might find it takes you 4 to 5 hours to make one video. Once you get the hang of it, which will be let's say on the third or fourth time around, you'll be throwing out videos at 30 to 40 minutes at one go. It becomes so much easier. And then once you know how to do it, you can farm it out to others, and you can be a judge of their work. The only way to fail at this, for this is really a surefire moneymaker, the only way is not to do it, simply not to take action. So do yourself a favor, act on this, buy the course, read it, listen to it, follow the instructions, and you should be making money within 2 or 3 months. After 1 year, you will simply not recognize your old life. It's that simple. Do yourself the biggest favor of your life and turn things around. You'll never have the fear again that you don't have enough money to pay your bills and for basic necessities. This is a great, very easy way to prosper. You just need the first couple of weeks or so to fully get the hang of it. And then things become easier and easier, and eventually you can just automatize the whole process. I strongly recommend Jordan Mackey's course.